Oh no, your shower drain is clogged, your bathroom pipe is plugged, and the odor coming from the sink is embarrassing. Stop drain clogs and stinky sinks with Sani Sticks, the concentrated drain cleaning and sanitation sticks that you drop in the drain once a month to stop backups, clogs, and nasty odors. Look, Sani Sticks fall and rest in the pipe trap. As water passes through the pipe, the Sani Stick releases a super concentrated blend of powerful enzymes that break down food, grease, and other organic materials, where they dissolve over time, keeping water flowing and your pipes clean and odor-free. Drop in a Sani Stick once a month to help repel greasy buildup that can clog drains. Drop in a Sani Stick once a month in the kitchen sink, bathroom sinks, utility room sink, bathtub drains, mop sinks, and anywhere you want to keep water flowing without plugged pipes and embarrassing odors. Sani Sticks is 100% safe for plumbing and septic tanks.
With 3 teenage girls in the house, clogged drains were a daily occurrence. But after putting just one Sani Stick in each drain, the clogs stopped, and so did my frustration.
I was really embarrassed by the odors coming from my sink. A friend told me about Sani Sticks, so I tried them, and wow, no clogging and no smelly sink.
If you've got a clogged drain, you're going to call me and spend about $75 to stop clogged drains before they begin and to save a bundle of time and money. Get Sani Sticks.
Stop waiting in backed up shower water, plunging and pushing clogged sinks, or paying for professional plumbing repairs. Order Sani Sticks right now to keep drains flowing strong and smelling fresh all year long.